Guys, my name's Chris. Welcome back to my channel where I do reviews on car detailing, 3D printing, and various other stuff as I whatever feel like doing. Today we're doing a review on Elegoo in black. This is bought off Amazon. It's about 13 bucks normally, but they're having Black Friday sales as of the time of recording this video. Here are the specs for printing right there. So you want to have your machine set up to 220 Celsius is what's recommended. But while printing these dragons, here's one of them here. We can see the print. When printing a two-tone dragon, I had the setting set at 220 Celsius and the black kept getting stuck in the extruder. So I ended up raising it to 230 Celsius, and after that I had no more issues. So I'd recommend running it at 230 Celsius. Now let's go back to the black dragon. You can see the print. It's a nice flat black. It prints nice and smooth. The reel's not tangled up when you get it, which is nice. I've gotten some product where it's all tangled up. This is the Elegoo in black. I also did a two-tone. So the silver is a different brand. I wanted to see how well it would bond. Two different brands, and it did a very, very good job. But like I said, with my AMS, I had to raise the printing temp to 230 Celsius or get stuck in the extruder and get jammed up like all the time. All right, here's the bottom. All right, guys, links to the Elegoo is in the description below. If you want to pick some up, that link is an affiliate link on Amazon, so I'd make a couple pennies if you click it. It's really a great product. It came in at 29% humidity. I dried it for 4 hours down to 15% before using it. No bed adhesion problems with this product. But then again, that's really, depends on the file you're using too, but I know no bed adhesion issues, just the extruder part. All right, guys, that does it for today's video. Easy peasy. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment of what kind of filament is your go-to filament, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.